Hey, this is D Revolution here with another video. I need you to like and subscribe to this channel. This video is for the writers. I'm gonna give you the ins and outs of writing from a writer's perspective. I've been writing 30 years. I have 4 screenplays, 3 books, and I've recorded 3 poetry CDs. And I've done all the studying for writing. So this channel is to tell you a few secrets as you guys get ready to start your journey as a writer, as an author. So this video is going to give you a few secrets about how a reader can relate to your story. And I learned this after many years of writing. There are a few things that we all can relate to. And when you put those things in your story, then your story would be considered good more than not, because people can relate to it. People can relate to the story. We all know what love feel like, or we will learn what love feel like. We all know what redemption feel like. We all know what rejection feel like. And we all, just those 3 emotions right there. When those particular emotions are a part of your story, is going to be relatable to your reader, to your audience. Of course, there's a few more, but them are the only ones that I can think of right now. But who in this world have not failure? Who in this world have not been rejected? Who in this world have not tried to redeem themselves on one level or another? It doesn't matter where or how you try to redeem yourself to. And how many of us have been hurt by love, or are in love, or know what love feels like, or want love? Excuse me. So, so basically, when you are able to tell a story and you have some of those relatable emotions in your story, then it makes the reader, your audience, that more engaged with your story. I learned that myself over years and years of writing. When people read certain stories and just their response to certain things, because they saw themselves in that story because of a rejected moment that they had in their lives, or the moment that they got hurt when they were in love. So my thing is, don't make it so intentional that you're doing that. But when your story crosses those emotional lines, it is a nice way to make somebody really get happy about your story and like your story. I need you to support me. I'm D Revolution. Please go to Facebook. Check out my Facebook group, Black Books for United States, on Facebook. Um, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. You have a good day.